now 12 blocking techniques. Starting off from square on position and then stepping either to your right or to your left to execute the blocks. I'm a right-handed, so I will step to my block, like so. Notice I step to my right, then I pivot to my left to block for my number 1. Number 2, step to my left and pivot to my right to block for number 2 spot. Number 3 and 4, watch how I drop my blocking range to meet the different heights of blocking, like so. I block in the mid area because it's lower. My elbow is lower, not up above my chest, if you will. This is number 3. Now number 4 block. One of the important parts about blocking with edge of your hands is that if you block like this, your finger's going to be sticking out, and that's going to be a target for your opponent to make it. Block like this, safety precaution as well. So now, number 5 block. And again, number 5 block. Number 6 block. Number 7 block. Number 8 block. Number 9 block. Number 10 block. Number 11 block. And number 12 block. You can also block number 12 with your right foot forward, like so, depending on the motion of the opponent and yourself. If you are retreating, you will throw your right foot back to block. If you're in forward motion, you might step forward with your right foot to block. That's 12 blocking techniques.